Example problem 11 is putting together all three steps from problems 8, 9, and 10 into one problem. So the problem reads, during an extremely loud sound, the amplitude of the pressure in the sound wave in air is 1.0 kilopascals, and then it gives us the Z value for air, which we've previously seen. A asks us for the intensity of the sound in units of watts, meters minus 2. So this is going to be intensity, regular I. B asks us for the sound intensity, so SI. And C asks us for the sound pressure, SP. And so there are three different formulas that you will use for this problem. So they've told us that the pressure equals 1.0 kPa, but we need to be in units of pascals. So you can either convert this the long way, or you can say that we know in 1 Pascal there are 1,000 kilopascals, or 1 times 10 to the third. And so if you do this the long way and convert this, you will find that there are 1,000 pascals. So we know that pressure is 1,000 pascals after converting. Now we need to go ahead and calculate intensity. And so if you remember from earlier, the formula for intensity is pressure squared divided by the number 2 times Z. So we have 1,000 pascals squared divided by the number 2, and then Z, which is 413 according to the problem right here, kilograms, meters minus 2, seconds minus 1. And so if you put this into your calculator, you will find that the answer for this problem is 1.21 times 10 to the third, W meters minus 2, or you can say 1,210. Either way it goes, both modes are fine. So we've calculated A. Now we need to go ahead and calculate B. So B asks us for SI. We know the formula for SI is 10 log intensity divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 12 W meters minus 2. So that's going to be 10 log I that we calculated up here, so 1.21 times 10 to the third W meters minus 2 divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 12 W meters minus 2. And so you'll put this in the calculator the same way you did problems 9 and 10. And so when you do that, you'll find that the sound intensity is 150.82 decibels. So that's the answer to B. C asks us for the sound pressure. And so that's going to be 20 log pressure divided by 2 times 10 to the minus 5 pascals. So putting that in the formula, 20 log, the pressure is 1,000 pascals, not squared for this one. We only square for intensity, regular intensity at the top, not for the sound pressure. It's just regular old pascals, not squared. Divided by 2 times 10 to the minus 5th pascals. And so if you put that in your calculator the same way you did for sound intensity, you'll find that the answer to the problem is 153.97 decibels. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 11.